It's Friday Sews. It's Friday Sews. What you gonna make? If you want to see what's been going on in my sewing room this week, please stay tuned. Guys, I have been doing a lot of things behind the scenes this week and preparing for some other things. So I didn't get much sewing done to show you for Friday Sews, but please tune in for my series this coming Sunday, which is the third Sunday of the month. This is a 12-part series. It will be the third Sunday in every month where I do sustainable Sundays, where I will make a garment out of just something I didn't really have to go and purchase, something that's already in use as something else, and I'll turn it to something else. It may be something that I've thrifted, it may be fabric I've been given, just reusing the things that I already have. So I will be doing sustainable Sundays, and this Sunday will be my first episode. So please stay tuned and watch out for that. But I have a fabric haul that I got from Mart this past week, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. A couple of those fabrics will be shown in a couple of my upcoming series, The First Lady and Fashion. So please stay tuned for that as well. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope that you are having a great week, and I hope that you enjoy looking at the fabrics that I purchased from Mart. So here's that video. Okay guys, I am coming to you. I am still in my sewing space, but this is a different angle. You see where I have started to go up with stuff because I have so much stuff. But this right here, this is how I store my patterns for now. I am working on a different system, but these bankers boxes that you see are how they are stored at the current moment. And I don't know if you can see, but each one is labeled according to how I store them. So like this is coordinates, dresses, and they go up from here, and then they have some on top of the file cabinet that was originally purchased to store my patterns, and I'm going to see if I can get that situated with if they can fit in here because I have so many patterns. So right now, I don't know if you've seen Grace's video, So Lovely with Grace, but I wanted a digital format to organize the patterns, and she actually did a video and was telling about an app. So if you haven't checked out that video, I will link it in the description box below. I love the app. I am in love with it. I was actually going to go another route until she did that video, and when she did that video, the route that she showed on the video actually turned out to be better for me, and it allowed me to keep everything on my phone, and I do so much with my phone. And when you're looking for fabric, 9 times out of 10 it's your phone that you have with you versus me having to store everything on my computer, which I rarely that I rarely have with me when I go somewhere. So that's what you see behind me right here, along with some other stuff, that crafting stuff that I have, my good old ironing board. I'm trying to see what you see. This is a bag of extra fabric that I have, and I don't want to get it away because it's kind of miscellaneous. It's sheets and different stuff, and that I'm keeping that to make muslins when I get ready to make a muslin. So without further ado, let's start showing you some of the fabrics that I picked up from Mart. Now, I purchased 3 fabrics with the idea in mind of what they were going to be, and they were the only reason that I purchased these items. So because 2 of these items will be featured in a future video, well, all the items, because I show you whatever I make, but 2 of them are specifically for a future video. So I can't show you the pattern, but I'm going to show you the fabric because I would like for you to see what I got. And this first fabric is to make some pants that I would like to make. I am currently enrolled in Mimi G's online sewing school. It is called Sew It Academy. One of the teachers there on the Sew It Academy is her good friend, Brittany J. Jones. So Brittany did a class on some slacks, wide leg slacks, and I want to give them a try. So I purchased this twill. This is a Alexander Wang, so it's supposed to be a designer fabric. It is a suiting fabric. I figured it would be great for a pair of pants. When you on the website looking at their fabrics, if you scroll down, it does tell you what that fabric is suited for or suitable for making at the bottom. And if I get a chance, I will try to put a little clip of me scrolling down so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Or at least put a screenshot at the bottom how it tells you what the fabrics are great for. So this was a fabric that was great for pants. It is a suiting material. It is a dry clean only material. So these will be a nice pair of slacks or trousers for me to wear out somewhere, not necessarily a pair of work pants or anything, since they have to be dry cleaned only. I did purchase 3 yards, and this was on clearance for $4 a yard. So just want to show you what I got. And it is the color is considered to be onyx black. It is wool polyester lycra twill suiting. So these are for a pair of black slacks because I do not have that in my wardrobe currently. Next, I purchased 2 different brocades. So we'll start with this brocade. I am so in love with this, and I have this in mind for a pattern that just came out. So I really want to make this pattern, so I'm trying to debate, am I going to wait for it to go on sale, which will probably be into the next couple of months. So I'm sure I can wait. But I wanted to get this fabric because it was on clearance at Fabric Mart as well. I picked up 6 yards, and this also was only $4 a yard. But this is an animal print brocade. It has silver, tan, metallics in it, and I just wanted to show you what it looked like. So I'm trying to put it on the right side. This is the correct side. And this is what I got. And I got 6 yards of that. This is another brocade that I got. It is like a silver, let's see what they say. A ballet pink, heathered gray, metallic crinkle floral brocade. And this is also $4 a yard. And I got 6 yards of this as well. And this will be featured in an upcoming video. So I will be probably cutting into this week or next week. But I liked it. I thought it was nice. And that was on sale as well. Now, I have no idea what we're about to see from this point on because I ordered 2 of the craft bundles. And I like these craft bundles. They have been the better of the bundles that I purchased from them. I wasn't so satisfied with what I got in my, I can't think of what it's called, but there's another bundle that costs like $20. These are the craft bundles, and they're like 1 yard to 1.5 yard pieces. And I like getting these. Like I said, I've been thoroughly satisfied with each bundle that I received. There may be like one item in there that I'm not crazy about, which is fine. But they're only $6. So I grabbed 2 of these. So together we're going to see what kind of fabric we got. These usually do not tell me what kind of fabrics they are, so we'll just do our best at what we what we got. So this is a 6-piece bundle in this bag. So let's take a look. So we have this plaid. I'm trying to see how thick or thin it is. It's crinkle. It's a little crinkly. I'm sure this is a shirting material. Next is a knit. It's just a striped knit. This is a navy knit. This one says it's 1 yard. But like I say, they're all usually 1 yard to a yard and a half. Here's another one. Let me turn it on the other side so you can see it. And this is a knit as well. That's really cute. That'll be a little cute little top. Or just a solid black. Can never go wrong with that. This is 1 1/4 yards. And this is some more, looks like shirting material, but I like the print. And I probably could even do something to color block with the 2 of these. I don't know. But I like this. I think I actually bought, let me see. I purchased this green as an accent color for something else, and I was trying to see if they went. But not really. But I actually think I do still have this green in my stash. I need to check. And here is another craft bundle. It has 2 different tags. I was just trying to see what the tags say. But this is another craft bundle. It says it's 6 pieces in here as well. So let's see what we got. Here's a polka dot knit. It says it's 1 yard. It's black. Just a black polka dot. I'm trying to turn it inside out so you can see. I actually like this. I got one before, but it wasn't made like this one. I like this one. This might become like a short sleeve cowl neck shirt. This is just lining material. A gold color, which I could put to line a bag with that. This is a denim-like colored knit, and it's 1 yard. I don't know if you can see. Look like something on it. That came off of what's coming up next. Here's a floral. I'll probably use this to make one of my Dress a Girl dresses. And 2 wintry pieces. That's nice. This is $1. I mean $1. This was 1 yard. I guess it was $1. It's a yard. And this is really cute. I wish it was more of that. This is the yard. This would be a really cute poncho or cape. I like that. I might try to squeeze that into a poncho, guys. Maybe if I could even find one of the other colors. The colors in here to go with it. That's really cute. I like that. So those are the craft bundles that I got from Fabric Mart. Like I say, those are $6. The pieces, you get 6 pieces, and they're usually like a yard and a half. Like, I think the biggest one of these bundles happen to be a yard and a fourth, which is fine. Sometimes I find something to do with them, and sometimes I don't. I go to fabric swaps all the time, so I may just take it to a fabric swap and we'll see what I get, or just give it to someone else. But for $6, it literally is $1 a yard for the fabric that I have. So I'll find something to do with it, and if not, I'll give it to someone else who can. I hope that you enjoyed this short video, my fabric haul. As always, remember, you are so beautiful. Have a great day. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed looking at those fabrics. We will be making something soon with some of those. Some of those I will probably give to other people, the ones that I cannot use in my stash, because I am trying not to just keep fabrics that I know that I'm not going to use. So I'll probably give to others so they can be used elsewhere. But all in all, I'm very happy with the fabrics that I received. I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with those brocade fabrics. I'm just looking forward to those and to sewing those, and those will be sewn very soon, because like I say, they are for an upcoming video, so I can't wait for you guys to see what I do with those. Have a great week.